Hi, my name is Wendy Myers, and if I could pick one thing to slow or reverse the aging process, it's removing toxins. I know, you probably heard all about detox and toxins from me, but this is different and something that I've never shared before. If you're taking health or beauty supplements like collagen or collagen protein powder, this is going to be life-changing for you. First, it's important that you understand how toxins trigger the mechanism of aging, because that will help you see why most detox approaches don't work, at least not in terms of getting the really dangerous toxins out and helping you look and feel younger. Most of us, myself included, have been exposed to a pretty massive amount of toxins and metals over the course of our lifetimes through dental amalgam fillings, fish, water, certain vegetables like those in the cruciferous family, rice, and even in the air that we breathe. And I have a list below this video of different sources, and it's pretty mind-blowing how many places you find toxic metals and chemicals, and the fact that the exposure is ongoing every day. The biggest problem with metals, especially from a beauty perspective, has to do with all of the free radical damage and the oxidative stress that they cause in your body. These two things are literally the heart of the aging process. They rust your cells and age your body, make it look, feel, and work like an older, less youthful, less energized version of you. And while it's way worse right now, toxic exposure isn't a new thing, which means that chemicals and toxic metals have built up in your body for decades. That was the case with me when I first discovered detox, and it wasn't until I learned about the importance of specific minerals to detox that everything changed for me. And that's why I created this video, because toxins don't just cause free radical damage, oxidation, and aging, they also rob your body of critical nutrients while increasing your need for specific nutrients. And one of the most essential ones is silica, and almost everyone gets silica wrong, because the silica that you find in Fiji water and most silica supplements like horsetail has a very low bioavailability and isn't concentrated enough to remove toxins. But there's another form of silica called orthosilicic acid, or OSA, that not only replenishes your silica levels, but it also helps remove toxic metals that age your face and body. It has a very specific chemical formulation to do that job. And it kicks up your collagen production, which is essential for beauty, back into high gear. That's important because silica is the glue that binds the collagen together. There's no point in taking collagen without silica. You could be drinking all of the bone broth or eating all of the collagen protein powders in the world, but if you don't have enough silica, and most people don't, it won't form collagen in your skin and body, or be limited in its ability to. In all my work with clients over nearly 10 years, it's rare that I meet someone who has an abundance of silica. The good news is that when you reverse your silica deficiency using the form of orthosilicic acid I reveal below to you, you'll have firmer, more supple, youthful skin. You'll grow thicker, more lustrous hair, have longer, healthier nails, build strong, flexible bones, reduce joint pain, and transform your joint health, upgrade your heart function, and so much more. So why don't you have enough silica? Well, silica is the highest in shiny organic veggies. Silica gives veggies that shine, like it gives your skin a healthy glow. But here's the thing. Unless you're eating a lot of fruits and vegetables, it's unlikely that you're getting the levels that you need to build beautiful skin, hair, and nails. Plus, even when you eat lots of vegetable foods that are rich natural sources of silica, the silica from these foods is insoluble and doesn't absorb very well in your gastrointestinal tract. It has a very low 3% absorption rate. This is again why food-based silica like horsetail doesn't produce nearly the results in your health and beauty, because it has the same absorption rate issue. And it's also why supplementing with silica via our new formula, Ageless AF, is so powerful. Ageless AF contains the same powerful silica found in liquid activated silica that we used to offer, but with some major upgrades, including the convenience of capsules. First, it includes the world's most bioavailable silica, which is up to 500% more absorbable compared to traditional silica. And in this form, the silica also moves deep within your cells and organs to attach to toxins like metals and toxins and remove them. That's why I'm so excited about this new detox formula that removes heavy metals that cause aging and fatigue and enhances your beauty at the same time. Because even though there are tons of silica products out there, there are none with this form that also includes powerful cofactors that provide additional detox support. Each capsule of this formula contains organosilica powder, the most bioavailable form of orthosilicic acid, with double the silica absorption of any other form and up to 500% more than most of the forms that you've tried. This includes 10 milligrams of silica as organic silicone, which in a 20-week double-blind study with 50 women ages 40 to 65 helped reduce micro wrinkles, boost skin elasticity, and led to significantly less brittle hair and nails. Ageless AF also includes selenium as methylselenocysteine, which is the only form that I've ever seen raise selenium levels in the body. This form of selenium helps to also detoxify arsenic, cadmium, mercury, and silver from mercury amalgam fillings. Selenium deficiency is very common in those with mercury toxicity, as well as people that have thyroid issues because it's needed to make thyroid hormones and must be replenished for optimum thyroid function and detoxification results. Ageless AF even contains odorless garlic extract, which is 1.2% allicin, which is the active ingredient in garlic, which contains sulfur compound shown to protect against organ damage from heavy metal toxicity. This is key because you must have sulfur to attach to toxins to transport them out of the body. They don't just leave the body by themselves. In one 4-week study, garlic extract reduced lead levels in the blood by 19% while reducing many clinical signs of toxicity, including headaches and blood pressure. Garlic is also a powerful antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral in the research. And there's so much evidence to support the ingredients in this formula. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that silica in the form of the soluble orthosilicic acid aided in the reduction of aluminum and helped to prevent the buildup of this toxic metal in the body, which is very harmful to the brain. Another study showed that this type of silica removes arsenic. Arsenic is notorious for poisoning an enzyme that releases triglycerides or fat from fat cells. Arsenic is a major beauty killer, and the form of silica in Ageless AF helps to remove it. In fact, one of the side effects of arsenic toxicity is weight gain and resistant weight loss because it poisons fat from releasing from fat cells. Arsenic is commonly found in non-organic chickens, eggs, rice, and water. So it's very, very common. This active ingredient in Ageless AF pulls out these hard to detox metals that also reduce our body's ability to make energy, like arsenic, aluminum, tin, thallium, and cesium, and helps to eliminate them. If you've watched this far, we are offering very special launch pricing on Ageless AF. You can see details on the page below. It makes so much sense to take advantage and stock up because this is probably the lowest price we will ever offer for Ageless AF. Honestly, I know of no better way to remove heavy metals like aluminum, arsenic, mercury, thallium, and others from typically hard to reach places in your body. But Ageless AF has so many other benefits. It can reduce fine lines and wrinkles, thicken and strengthen hair, strengthen your nails, promote strong and flexible bones, promote healthy joints, and so much more. It has so many benefits. And Ageless AF is extremely safe and helps detox very rare heavy metals like bismuth, antimony, tin, and cesium, and more. And for these reasons, I recommend Ageless AF to help my clients detox metals and restore their natural beauty. You can save big on Ageless AF right now and enjoy this low introductory price on this special form of nature's #1 beauty mineral. I can't recommend it highly enough. So welcome to my world of anti-aging detox to look younger longer through the power of detox.